Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Flybuys on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store on your phone. Now go ahead and look for a search bar or the search icon, then type in Flybuys there and tap on search. Now on the screen you're gonna find a couple of options. Go ahead and tap on Flyby with the icon given on the screen. Now you're gonna get one of these four options beside the icon, and those are get, backup, install or download. Tap on it, then go ahead and give necessary details, then your phone will start downloading the Flyby app. And guys, that's it. That's how you download Flyby on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.